Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, we got about 10 minutes to the open, so I'm going to make this quick. You can see the breakout from, we had all this noise at the 50. It's interesting because you had rejection candle here, and they just the last couple days on the back of some news, they've really built it up. It's been a great, couple of days. I mean, the trading week was 2 days old, going on 3. We were long 32 quarter into the close yesterday and just held it up through all of this. It's been really amazing. We talked about early in the week. We opened up where? At weekly pivot. The inability to take out weekly pivot. Here. And we talked yesterday. Look, I didn't think we were going to be back. Look, guess what? We're absent a massive piece of news, we ain't going back. So we've been able to take full advantage, lifting out of a small consolidation. Now the hourly mid-band acting as support. The big rip up last night, coming back to retest the 50 area, converting that 46, which was a Friday high right here. That was the area that I thought really needed a look. We talked about that in yesterday's webcast. They busted right up through there, came back. That may be the closest thing we get to a retest. Up and off we go. As far as the open is concerned, watch volume weighted average price at 60. The proprietary moving average 5-minute mid-band are locked up at 64 and change. And you've got the hourly mid-band below that at 55. I would not expect anything worse than 55 this morning off and open. And how they defend those areas and how it progresses is going to be important. If they continue to make higher highs, Thursday, Friday, I mean, you got a real solid shot at a really good look at 3,000 before the end of the week. All right, everybody, take care, trade them well, come join us. That's all I can say. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.